The next standard in our progression is K.MD.A.2, which says, directly compare two objects with a measurable attribute in common to see which object has more of / less of the attribute and describe the difference. Children should be able to determine which object is longer or shorter than the other. This can be done by having them compare objects side by side. They also should be able to determine which object can hold more or less than the other. This can be done by filling up one of the objects and pouring it into the other one. They also should be able to determine which object is heavier or lighter, possibly by lifting one in one hand and one in the other hand. Students need to understand what units of measure are appropriate for a particular attribute. They need to begin with direct comparison of two or more lengths. An example for the classroom could be to show students an object and have them sort the objects into longer and shorter, or about the same as the object. Then, give students a piece of string and have them find objects that are the same length of the string. Students can move to measuring with non-standard units of measurement, like we described earlier, such as using links or Unifix cubes.